What's up, everyone? This is Tony here, and today we are back playing Storm Chasers. This is Season 1, Episode 6. So I hope to God I figured out the problem with the radar and everything, because, the thing is, every time I don't close the game, I think the radar would break. So I would probably close the game down and reboot it. So hopefully that should work. Okay, so we already have a bit of activity here going on here. This is my second attempt recording this because I don't want the radar to break yet again. It would be annoying as heck. And yeah, we don't want that. So yeah, I have a, hold on. Before I get out of the car, I need to get into my position to where I need to be, because there's going to be a lot of activity happening. Well, we had a lot of organized storms, and now we're getting a little bit of a mess of those storms. But they still can produce tornadoes nonetheless. They just won't be that strong of storms, but I hope something can happen. So that's why we're storm chasing. Got a moderate. Okay, there's a bit of rain over here, so hopefully. Okay. We're going inside the storm. Here's our bit yellow. Here's our yellow. We're in the yellow. You can shut up, music. I don't need your copyright. It's just crap. There we go. That turn was beautiful. All right. So we're gonna go into the middle of the map so we can see if there's anything suspicious about these storms. We're not just. Oh, we got one. Okay, we got one that is really organized here in the. Oh wow. Okay. Is that a lowering? Hold on. No, that's not lowering. Okay, I was thinking about something else. But that storm has the ability to become a lowering here. Severe thunderstorm warning for that area. So you can see right here. It's going towards Wakota. Okay, let me check out my outfit, guys, if you didn't know. I have a blue sweatshirt and some pants. Perfect. It's perfect. Alright, so I'm going to keep an eye out for anything suspicious that's happening. The Wakota one looks pretty promising. The one south, I don't know about. Unless something does happen. This one's a really, really intense storm up here in Wakota. Wakota needs a break. It needs a break from messy weather. It got hit by Nia 5, and honestly, we can't forget that moment. We can never forget that. That Nia 5 was insane. Yeah, Wakota's getting a severe thunder. It's getting a lot of lightning for now, but I need to know what's going to happen here. West. Ooh, okay. So you have a tornado trying to form here. All right, we're gonna follow it. The storm, this Wakota storm looks so crazy right now, so I'm gonna go towards it. All right. Tornado's moving. I mean, not tornado. The warning's moving towards Wakota. Oh, there's a dirt cloud. Oh no! No way! No way! There's no way this is happening yet again for Wakota, man. EF3 tornado on the ground. EF3. All right, we're gonna go follow it. Off-roading now. It's in Wakota. We have, and it's a strong tornado in Wakota. All right, we're gonna stay behind it. Stay behind it. Wow, look at that thing go. Strong tornado. Right there. Alright, let's go. Let's follow it. Hell, luckily that subdivision right here is got lucky. This one I don't think it's gonna get lucky. Tornado's gonna hit it directly. Alright, we're gonna go around the tornado. I don't want to go too close to it and get sucked in, so we're gonna there's a path. Yeah, this thing's gonna hit houses. Not good. Well, it's good for me because I get points. Don't you dare flat tire me. Insane. Alright, we're gonna follow it. Follow this thing.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Wakota County. Take cover now. Move into an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Avoid windows.
Yeah, this tornado is very strong, guys. Tornado about to enter into the subdivision, cause some problems, so we're gonna... Oh, here comes debris. All right, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Wow, incredible damage. Subdivisions, the houses over here are getting a direct hit. Oh my God. I should move away from here. You're not even close to it. You're not even close. What are you talking about? You should move away. Oh wow, okay. Okay. Oh my freaking God. Okay, back up. Back up! House is really... Oh no. My God, incredible! This thing's moving fast. Here goes more buildings. This thing's fast moving. Oh my God. Okay. There she goes. Destroying more homes over there. Yep, there they go. Wakota yet again hit by a tornado that is strong but yet not violent. It's not powerful enough to become like an EF5. Oh my God, that's crazy. Oh wow. Oh wow. Ooh, dang, dude. Guys, I think Wakota needs a break right now. And I'm serious when I say this. Wakota needs a break. Everyone support Wakota. We need Wakota to become... Man, this is... Oh wow, the damage is pretty bad. Okay, I need to fix my battery here. This thing's still... It's still on houses right now, so... I'm gonna continue following this thing. Hopefully that should... Oh, don't tell me to change direction. Oh, well, it's moving south now. Okay. The northern side of Wakota is getting some bad lightning, while the south got hit by a strong tornado. Looking at radar. Okay, it's moving south. All right. Debris is still in the air, east of my position. All right, we're gonna move south here. Tornado's still on the ground. Tossing crap though. That one's moving towards Byrun though. Oh crap, I forgot. Okay. Frame rate's dropping for some reason. I don't know why it's doing that. Oh man. Yeah, insane tornado. Man, that is insane. Wakota yet again hit by a tornado. It cannot catch a break, guys. It cannot catch a break. All right, we're gonna go over here, get closer to it. There she is, right here. Wow. That thing's moving fast. Oh wait, the gas station. Ooh, the gas station. Oh no. The gas station might get hit. Oh my God, this thing's trying so hard to pull me in here. Oh shoot, you know what? This is risky. The amount... Man, this gas station. Alright, I gotta go quick here because this thing's moving fast. Alright. Alright, gas station about to get hit. Okay, go, 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 go. That thing's right there. Oh my god. Run. Run for it. Flooring it right now. No, okay, we got out of there. Alright, we're good. Tornado. It's still looking pretty strong. Whoa, what the? I'm getting 50 points? There's no flying debris. What is with the points? Am I catching the entire mezzo? Is that why? Like, look at that. Look at the points. Wow. Something's not right here. Oh, my probe might get a direct hit. I think my probe might get a direct hit here. Something's not right with the points here. I don't know. It doesn't say multiple tornadoes are on the ground. Oh, here we go. Okay. I think my probe is in it. Is it another successful intercept? No, I don't think so. Okay, this thing's getting weaker. It's weakening. Wow. Okay, I think we should. I don't know what caused me to get 53 points out of that. That's insane. Probe is doing pretty good, for the most part. Still moving south. The gas station got lucky. Wow. I think there was multiple tornadoes on the ground, yet I just didn't know. There was possibly a funnel. And this thing's continuing to move south, so we're gonna behind it, or behind it a little bit. Things getting weaker though. The F1, yeah, it's gonna lift here in just a second. It's getting, yeah, it's dying, it's lifting. There it goes, dead. Alright, we're gonna pick the probe back up. Severe thunderstorm warning did die. And these storms are now getting a little disorganized. So that was a great tornado. First ever. We didn't get like anything too crazy yet. The south one's intensifying, so we might as well go to it. Actually, we need to get gas first, then we'll go to it. Alright. Gas station, man, you got really lucky. I would have been dead. Like this gas station is the luckiest gas station to exist in this world. And I'm not even kidding when I say this. Alright, we're gonna bag gas tanks in case we run out halfway. And then off we go. I don't know. These storms are disorganizing. Yeah, there they go. There they go. This one right here, unless it dies out. Nope, this one's growing. So the core one storm is growing at a slow rate, but the Wakota one, which got hit by a tornado, is experiencing another storm, which is moving south. Yeah, that storm's more serious, so we're seeing yet another active storm happening in Wakota. It's not as bad right now, but I think it's going to change. Wow, there's that path. I mean, those houses got devastated over there. So we got an EF3 that hit Wakota. Not good. Not a great day. Not a great season for Wakota, to be honest with you. If I'm being honest, not a great season. Okay, change direction. Oh, this was the path. I'm going to be on the path here. A lot of flying birds. I like how there's birds in this game. It's really cool. This one's also... Wow, look at that. You can see there's like a hook here. If you didn't notice. The hook's decaying a little bit now. Yeah, it looks like a hook. See that, guys? I mean, it's not really a rotation, but it would be cool if the game had hooks to where the tornado is. I don't know how they can do this. Storm is moving towards me, so I think we should be... should I be worried about a mesocyclone yet? I don't know. The one near Byrun is getting stronger too. Unless the storm does die out. I mean, I kind of doubt it's doing that. I really doubt it. So, yeah, we had a great tornado earlier. Okay. Hold on, let me like stop here for a second so I can take a look at the radar. A whole bunch of messes. There's a big mess of storms down here, but I don't know if it's going to produce anything. All right. I think this storm over here is starting to... This one's weakening. This one, I don't know. It's peaked. Right now, these storms are capable of producing something, which I don't know where exactly, where the tornado is going to spawn at. The Byrun one is just, it's staying at a yellow, and it's staying at a 45 reflectivity. And we have this thing, which can produce something here. Yeah, see, there's a bit of pink in there. There's a bit of that. That's something I'm watching out. I don't know. Strange. It's raining really hard. Alright. Tornado threat seems to be declining. For now, at least. I mean, the tornado threat, we did see a tornado happen right now. I mean, since like, I don't know. You know what? I don't know anymore. I can't speak today, guys. I am tired. I'm actually pretty tired. But I'm not gonna... Alright, tornado warning to our south, so let's go after it. Let's go. Something is forming. Unless I'm seeing... Oh, okay, we're out of the rain, I think. Oh, it's to my left. I thought it was to my right for a second. There's a funnel. There it is. Trying its best to form there. There's a meso right there. That's just the only one right now. The thing could die at any second, but I really don't believe... I think it's going to stay out. It's going to stay on the ground. There's lightning in that meso too. Interesting. Now you can see there's a bit of a hook on it too, as well, which makes it a really realistic moment. Oh yeah, that's fully going to touch the ground here. It's not going to go away at any time. Yeah, on the ground. That looks like an EF0 or 1. I'm gonna put another probe in this pad, see if I can try again. If it doesn't work, I don't know. This thing's a very dry storm for... Oh wow, look at the rope. Intense rope right here. Let's see where this thing's going. Oh, the Byrun one's getting stronger. Okay. Oh, EF1. Alright, so... I'll take an EF1. I mean... Really interesting to see an EF1. Surprise, surprise. Okay. Alright, same point of view. I gotta be careful on that. That one over here is intensifying, so you have to watch out for that one. Yeah, not bad of a tornado yet, but it's stronger than an EF0 though. I hear that. I hear it. All right, we're gonna go over here. Things moving fast. It looks like. Wait, is it moving north? No. Incredible. All right, here we go. 22 points. 23. Wait, is it? Oh, it's weakening. Okay, this tornado is dying out. So I don't think this is going to last that. It's not going to last that long, I don't think. Incredible. It's going to move to my right here. Wow, getting a lot of more points than getting an EF1. Well, I'm getting... Okay, same point of view, I forgot about that. Alright, tornado. Byrun might get lucky here, but it depends. I mean, this is a weak tornado, so I don't expect much from it, really. I don't expect much. Byrun County, here we go. Ooh, I got it with the thunder. This thing's moving a little fast.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Byrun County. Take cover now.
Here we go, Byrun County.
Into an inferior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
The south one, this is just an EF0, so I mean, Byrun would be okay. We would just move lawn furniture. Oops. There we go. Getting the whole tornado is worth it. Alright. Tornado, listen to me. Very weak. 2021, I did play this game in 2021, and I've gotten the most insane footage ever, and yet I got rid of it. I should not have done that. I regret it. I did get twin EF4s, one time, and trust me, it was pretty intense. We did get twins, but they weren't both EF4s. But I'll take that. I'll take those. I'll take it. Yeah, that tornado is moving away from Byrun, it looks like. It would be cool if I put a probe in its path, which I'm going to do right now. Gotta get there before it does. Okay, I gotta speed it up here. Just a second here. Here we go. Alright. This should be a great spot. Alright, I gotta keep going. Oh, there, I see its path. Alright, this should be easy. Okay. This should be a bit easy. Okay, it's coming directly at me, so I have to put the probe right here. Unless it dies, I mean, I don't know if it's going to. I'm gonna wait for it to approach me, in case it does go away. Oh yeah, the probe points are real here. Oh, that is coming directly towards the probe. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I got to go. Run. Alright. Is the probe gonna get hit here? No, I don't think so. Man, that would have been great. Man. I was so off. 28. Yeah, I was really off there. I thought the tornado would move towards me, but I guess not. Man, I'm a little mad about that. This thing's long-lasting. God dang. Long-lasting EF0. But this is in reality EF1. 20. Alright. I mean, that's fine. That's fine. I'll take some of the points you got from me, Tornado. Alright. We should be able to see if there's anything else developing, and we do. We have this storm developing. The south one I don't trust. 20 points. I'm gonna get the probe, and then we're gonna head to Wakota. All right. No, don't do that. Don't do that. I hate that. It's really annoying. Whenever you're outrunning a tornado like that, you have to go through. You have to go through. All right, we're gonna leave this tornado alone. Yeah, this was a long-lived EF0. I'm gonna double check if it's still on the ground. It's probably going to be. This thing's been on the ground for like 10 minutes or something like that. I mean, tornado warning to my east. Oof, that might be out of the map though. Yeah, and it died. Yeah, not surprised that it freaking died. Alright, we're gonna head towards the gas station here. Alright. Nothing too crazy happening for this storm. I mean, it's still pretty severe, but it's smaller and not really a tornado producer unless it does. Yeah, see, this thing is moving out of the map. There's no point in getting it, really. Unless something forms up here. Yeah, this storm looks really well organized down in the south, but to be honest, that's nothing because it's out of the map and I can't get to it. So, yeah. So basically it's another yet quiet environment until something else forms down here maybe, or something. I mean, this storm, oh, it does have a lowering to it, so we might get something. Okay, so we're going to stay on this storm. It's not giving up. This thing does have a lowering, but we don't know what the tornado is or when it's going to drop. So we're going to have to, I'm going to stay on it for now. All right, we're going to move. There, oh, dirt cloud right in front of us, right in the road. There's the warning. Okay. There it is. There's that tornado. It's forming. All right. That's the freaking. Okay, we're kind of close to it, but it's still trying its best to form here. It looks like an EF1. It's good. Oh, it's gonna. Oh, the cow farm. It's hitting it. It's picking up cows. Look at it go. Oh, it hit its head on the ground. Oh, that poor cow. I think it died. Oh no, it died. There's the tornado. EF1 on the ground. Do the cows count as debris? That's what I'm curious about. It's trying its best. Okay. Don't. Is this a pig farm too? I'm gonna stop here for now. Hold on. Okay, tornado is crossing in front of. It's on the dirt road. Are you kidding me? No, you're not doing this to me, game. I'm going quick. Whenever I see a tornado like this. There's the focus, okay. No blurriness, please. Please, no blurriness. This thing did hit the pig farm, or cow farm. It killed a cow. Incredible. Alright, points are increasing. Oh, another tornado warning? Where? Where at? To the east. Oh, there's another one there. I think it's going to die though. That's the thing. Because it's rare to get twin tornadoes in this game, and we only got like 2. Oh my god, this is bad. Oh my god, get out. Crazy tornado right there. I could have taken the picture sharper, and it died. Okay, so that was a... I wasn't surprised. I wasn't surprised. Wow, look at that thing go! Yeah, I forgot. This is the first time my car got stuck in mud. It was ever while recording this. This is by far the craziest thing. All right, whatever. This tornado's been on the ground for a little while now, so I might leave it alone soon. But I don't know. This could intensify. Yeah, it could weaken. It's moving south. I forgot there's hay bales here. Hold on a second. Random car here. The tornado is moving south, so we're still going to catch up to it. I mean, it's still the only tornado right now, I think. The other one probably died. Oh wow, that curve on that thing, look at that. This thing's about to cross the road here. Should have deployed a probe there, but I think it's going to be too late once I get there. I won't have time, really. Okay, car, chill. Oh my god, it's coming! Well, no crap it is. My freaking character is moving because of how insanely close I am to it. But those fences are the strongest fences I have ever seen. It's crossing the road right in front of me. This thing is so close. I'm so lucky not to be in this thing right now. This thing's a mean, skinny, weak tornado right there. Oh wow. How close was I? Very close. I was close to this thing. They weren't lying. Hold up. All right, skinny tornado's moving towards the south. Ooh, this storm looks very interesting over here in Wakota. I mean, this tornado is still there, but it's going to die out anyway, so I'm like, what's the point? What's the point? But I think this tornado is moving southwest now, it seems like. It's not moving entirely south anymore. So yeah, this thing has a lot of interesting... This thing's an interesting tornado. It's just moving south all the time. Well, it moved north at one point, but it's moving south. Oh yeah, the points are real. Give me them points. Insane, guys. 9:14. It's evening. Okay, what is these storms over here? I am seriously looking. I'm watching them like a hawk. I mean, this tornado right here, I'm gonna still chase this thing, but I'm just gonna take some quick pictures of this thing right here. Just need to focus on Twister. All right. Is she gonna die? Insane. Alright. So these storms over here will be the final storms for this episode. This can produce something. I'm gonna leave this tornado alone because this thing is like really doing nothing. I've been on that storm for a long time, man. This is the EF3 path, so it did cross the road here. All right, we're gonna stop here. All right, so this storm right here. Ooh, oh, we got a mezzo. Okay. There's the mezzo right here, because I can see it right. Ooh, frame rate drop right there. I don't know what happened there. Oh, funnel cloud. All right. Where's the dark cloud? Somewhere around here. No, for sure. Yeah, that's rotating a little bit, but I think the rotation should be a bit like stronger, a little bit like faster, in my opinion. Is that it right there? No. Oh, I can't see it anymore. All right, you have to use the camera for night vision. Unfortunately. Tornado crossing. Oh, tornado warning crossing. Where I don't see it. Okay. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, there, it's an EF0, all right. Right in front of us. EF0. I mean, I haven't been talking much right now, but oh wow, look at that thing. Okay, same point of view. All right. I should have deployed a probe. What was I thinking? Stop. I know. So guys, big news. So the IRL job I have, it's permanently closing. And right now, I'm stuck jobless. And to be honest with you, like, I'm gonna get another job here, just in probably like right now. But I think the place I worked at really didn't work out. So it's permanently closing, which is a rare thing. I've never seen anything like this happen. And I feel bad for the people who used to work there. So I don't know, because this is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. So I have to find yet another job. Man, that is crazy. That's crazy. My mom's calling me, so I have to make this I have to go here soon to tell my friends and people I talk to. I think the people I talk to are aware of this right now. Okay, so after this tornado, I'm gonna wrap this up. So this thing's moving out of the map right now, so... Oh man, okay, this thing is really rain wrapped. It's a rain wrapped EF0 on the ground. Oh, frick. How close am I to it? It's so blurry, I can't see it. Wow, look at that thing go. Wow. Oh, this thing's moving fast, so the point of view is going to not be bad. Oh boy, not going to be bad. Wow. Alright, oh, well, I did not mean to do that. My bad. This thing is still there. What? I need to look back and see how long this tornado has been on the ground, because right now I'm looking at a record-breaking 20-minute long tornado. Actually, I think it's been on the ground for over 10 minutes now. Should move away from here. What do you mean? You're not in its path. It's moving away from you. My character's sometimes weird. I mean, he's paranoid. Wait, actually, maybe I should. You might be right. This thing's coming back to me. Oh yeah, he was right. Okay, I gotta go. Gotta back up here. It's right in front of us. It's really weak. It's weak though. Okay, I'm backing up a little bit here. I know it's really insane right now, but I gotta look back and see what time it formed in the video, because like literally this thing been on the ground for us. Yeah, this thing's still there. It's been a hot minute. It's going out of the map now. I think it's going to die out here in just a second. Ooh, Byrun might be, if this thing still survives, Byrun might get a direct hit. And then Corwan's under the threat too. It's Byrun and Corwan, they are both under the gun for weak tornadoes nearby. Okay, I gotta move. Ah. Ooh, this thing changed direction, didn't it? Oh, that one died. Okay. So, I'm gonna have to look back. Okay, tornado's moving the other way, so I'm gonna go towards it. When there's no active tornado warnings, I'm gonna end this video, and I gotta put freaking gas. I gotta fuel up my tank. Great. Great. Alright, let's follow it. Won't expect much from this, really. It's still there. I mean, it's still on the ground. Wait, ooh, I have an idea. Actually, no, I don't think it's going to cross the road here. I could have placed a probe, but you know what? I don't. Wow, look at that thing go. Look at that thing go, guys. Been on the ground for a whopping, like, long time. I mean, it's been on the ground for, like, it's 4 minutes, but I mean, usually I'm going to, oh my god, alright, moving east. Alright, these storms are starting to die out here. Unless something does change, and I think it's going to. Storms right here in the south side. This is the only storm right here. So I'm right here. Tornado is moving this way. I mean, I don't know if I want to get in front of this thing yet until it's near the road that I need it to be. Focus, focus, camera, focus. Sorry if you're hearing the clicking noises, because I'm like literally spamming the click button. Okay. Things still moving east, full east. The camera focus is bad because of the rain in its way right now. God dang, that's crazy. Oh, here it comes. Okay, this is where the focus comes in. All right, 19. Can I get the entire mezzo? Never mind, I can't. Thank you, game. All right, tornado is still in progress right now. I gotta make sure this thing is gonna hit my probe. Turn right. All right, it's right there. Let's wait for it to come to me so we can make sure I'm in its path. I gotta make the predictions right, though. I really do. I'd say right here, maybe? Maybe right here. Hurry! Oh, that's perfect. This might be a perfect intercept here for the probe. Here it comes. If it dies, I'm gonna be disappointed. 7. All right, come closer, please, tornado. I'm begging you. Don't dare change direction. I swear to God, I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up until you. Okay, it's getting closer. I gotta go. This thing's about to hit my probe here. I thought the tornado died. I was like, what? No way. All right, battery, battery, battery. There it is, right there. It's still moving full east. Right there. Man, that thing is... Wow. Alright. Is this thing gonna miss my probe? It better not. That thing's right on it, too. Alright, let's get closer. Let's see the probe actually get hit here. Unless it does make a freaking U-turn and not do it. I missed it by a long distance. Wow. Yeah, that was stupid. Oh, tornado near the gas station. I think the gas station could get a direct hit here. Right in front of us. Okay, this thing's right there. Wow. Incredible tornado that is about to... Wow, the gas station got lucky. How lucky are you, building? You are so lucky. Who is this thing intensifying? I'm seeing a bit of intensive... this thing's starting to get a little bit intense. Unless it's just me. Because look at that funnel. It's getting a little thicker down there. EF0 tornado. That might become an EF1 here, but I'm not sure. Get me more photos. Yes. Frick you. Yeah, I think I'm gonna let this one be for now. This thing's long lasting. God darn. It's been 50. I've been recording for 50 minutes. No storms are popping out right now, so this could be the final. This is the final tornado. There it goes. Back into where it belongs. 57. Give me more fun. Oh my God, the point of view. I want the point of view to be bad. Let's see it. 68. Can I get 0 here? Honestly, it's possible. 88. Oh my God, 2 points. Because of the same point of view. That's terrible. Alright, Probe, you belong to me now. Because you are a failure. You are a failure to me. I will bring you back to my truck where you belong. I want to punch my computer screen. Put it in the car right now. Thank you. Thank you for obeying. God darn. Alright, well, that's going to be wrapped out. That will be it for this episode. Storm Chasers, episode 6. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.